Tell us about the phase that you went through, the crisis. How did you manage?
Yes, thank you. It was indeed a very, very difficult and challenging 2 years because the suddenness of the crisis and the adversity that falls on you because of the suddenness is very overwhelming. So I just literally got up one morning on 22nd of November 2022 and I lost my husband in less than 3 minutes, and he was absolutely fine. In fact, all the medical checks that happened a month prior to that in Boston at the best hospital in the world were all normal. It was just a regular check. So it was a very big shock. Now, first your feelings are very negative. You're overcome with negativity, with fear, there's anger, there's a lack of acceptance. How can this happen? How can the sun rise as if nothing has changed? There's a lot of anger. And then gradually I realized that, there is an overwhelming task ahead of me. I realized that both my daughter Mansi and I would not have the luxury of grieving for long lengths of time and wallowing in the self-pity that follows grief. And that's really what happens. Because we realize that we have a very large responsibility and accountability to the vast network of professional and personal relationships that Vikram had left behind. And it was very important for me not to let it go, because it was our journey together. And in following, in wanting to carry forward his legacy, I felt that he's still with us, in walking the same path. So I had to transform my grief into resolve. I had to work at letting go of my anchors. I had to ensure that I found a purpose. This is very important when you are suffering with grief. You have to find a purpose, and my purpose were not the people and my relationships. I let go of the anchors and I realized I must devote myself to this purpose. And that's how I transformed my grief into resolve. I found a purpose. My purpose was that along with my daughter Mansi, I would carry forward Vikram's legacy, whether it's across his multiple partnerships with the Japanese built over 30 years and created a sort of huge success in the marketplace, or it was his vast network of relationships, personal and in business. So that's how I think it helped me to become the best version of myself. And that's what I would advise to anyone who goes through an adversity like this.